Hi, I'm Ralph Page, System Architect at Samtec. Today we're going to look at the live product demonstration combining Microchip's Meta DX1 family of Ethernet PHYs with Samtec ExaMAX backplane cable systems. Meta DX1 is a 1.2 terabit Ethernet PHY with long-reach 56G PAM4 SerDes and features such as MACsec encryption, FlexE and nanosecond level PTP timestamping accuracy, with support for Ethernet rates from 1 to 400 GE, 48 SerDes and integrated crosspoint. Meta DX1 enables a wide range of connectivity in a single hardware design. Samtec ExaMAX backplane cable systems improve signal integrity and routability using Samtec flyover high-speed cable technology, which routes signals above a lossy PCB using co-extruded ultra-low skew twinax for improved bandwidth and reach. In this demo, 56 gigabits per second PAM4 data routes from the Meta DX1 PHY through about 4 inches of PCB, then through 12 inches of precision RF cable to Samtec 2.4 compression mount precision RF connectors on an SI evaluation board for Samtec's Accelerate high-speed slim body cable system. The signals then route via a 1 meter long ExaMAX backplane cable assembly with 28 gauge twinax cable. Next, the signals return through a second set of backplane sockets and brackets through another 0.6 meters of Accelerate cable assembly to another Accelerate SI evaluation board. Finally, another 12 inches of precision RF cable returns the signals back to the Meta DX1. The total length of the signal path exceeds 3 meters. This is an incredibly long and complex signal path, but the results are very good. The total insertion loss from DX1 to DX1 is approximately 30 dB. Let's take a look at the results. The eye patterns look very good indeed, and so does the bit error rate. Just look at that prefect bit error rate. A prefect bit error rate of 1e to the minus 9. Combining industry-leading Ethernet PHYs like the Microchip Meta DX1 with cable backplane solutions from Samtec offer design assurance and shorter time to market for next-gen Ethernet routers, switches and line card manufacturers. For more information on the Microchip Meta DX1 family, please visit microchip.com/meta-dx1. For more information on ExaMAX backplane cable systems, please visit samtec.com/examax. And if you have any questions about this demo, please direct them to sig@samtec.com. Thanks for time and thanks for watching.